buffs I got left.
Open a fucking mana potion. Hey, Lucky, do you run 40 wisdom
On spear?
on Bell staff?
No, I run 50.
Currently?
Yeah.
You run 30 strength?
Nope.
40 strength?
50, 50, 60, baby. 26 decks.
Interesting.
The 2 wisdom from the passive gives me 50 wisdom. Someone drag Megatron into our comms.
Didn't make it in.
So Jacker got expelled?
Yeah, he wasn't here.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
He's a dumbass and went AFK. I hate him.
OG.
Fucking hate him. I changed
one
the
we
channel
taking?
status.
One.
One. That.
Channel
Clicks is
status, I
my
hate
public
Jack.
enemy number 1 right now. Clicks is my public enemy number 1 right now, bro. I will kill him on site.
Who is?
Clicks.
Cheeseburger?
Until he logs in. He's supposed to be my healer for my group. Hasn't logged in. Almost killed him the other day.
He logged in right here.
I logged in to go sit under the bridge.
Yeah.
Oh,
I
at
seen him at the
nesting
beach
ground. Fucking troll, literally.
I'll be ready,
Literally,
boys.
bro.
All right.
It's gonna be tough.
Yeah, they're heavily on that fucking point.
Damage on IGN.
I'm gonna try to like LOS.
Are you guys one of the 3 groups?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
Alright, so we're going right side. We're going right side. Yeah, I say we walk up this rock right here, right in front of me. Right in front of me.
Right? Yeah.
We don't have any pins down right now.
Before we actually start in, I'll hit you guys with
Yeah,
fucking
yeah,
barriers to
I'm
hold
fine.
up.
Be ready
fine,
now.
I'm
Be
fine
ready
now.
now.
Get on the rock, on the rock.
I'm on it.
Griff is free engaging?
You're good, you're good.
I spread it. We gotta spread it. We're good. I got slept. Oh no, this is bad. This is real bad, boys.
Hey, you guys are fine. You guys are fine. You guys are fine.
This is real bad.
They all have burning time on them right now, so they're running out of mana.
Currently getting griefed, but I'm trying to run up to you guys. There's a lot of guys behind us right now. A lot of guys behind us.
Got shields on us.
Yep. Bastion down in 25 seconds, boys.
They're all low where we came from. They're
Pull
all
on me,
low
pull
where
on
we
me
came
if you need
Balloon
heal.
speeds out.
Main
from.
entrance.
Come to the show. Come to the show. Where Army Mill came from.
Holy fuck! What is
Some come up the
deleting me,
rock.
bro?
What the fuck just deleted me? What the fuck? 1?
I forget which one it was.
Yeah, that
That sounds right.
We might go spear, bro. This is a spear zone.
Sure it is.
There's too many people fighting when they're
Take one
coming
every
back.
time.
I'm going the same rock we came up.
Yeah.
Let me get in first. Let me get in first.
We gotta kill this fucking slash guy.
We
Hold
got
on,
big
he's low,
shield.
he's low. He's half. The one.
I'm going in on lows, guys. Let's create space.
You slept, King?
Circle on me. Circle on me if you need heals.
Big shield on you, Valane.
My God,
Yeah,
bro.
let me
This
on
guy
now.
didn't smoke screen too.
Unloads.
We need a feud Bingy Boo. You see him right on
Bingy
top of Alfred in
finesse.
the corner on Shaco. You guys see Bingy Boo right there? We need to hard target this guy.
I'm
He's
on
on,
him.
right on
I'm
top of
on him.
lows. Right on top of
I'm on him.
lows. 3
Yeah,
people
I'm
have
on
him
him.
targeted. You gotta
I'm
stay
on
on that
him.
guy. That guy's
I'm on
killed like fucking 10 players. I just watched him.
Got him. Well, no, I didn't get him.
Let's keep getting blocked, John.
Nice.
Figure out.
Call it out if anyone gets a target on that guy,
on
we
me.
gotta fucking hard target that guy.
Unload.
Stay on the right side.
Unload,
Stay on the right side of the point.
Massive
Stay on
unloads.
the right side of the
Massive
point.
unloads. The bell's working.
Again.
We got
There's
shield
nowhere
out.
on our spawn.
I have Bastion. Just where you guys at?
See Bingy Boo. Call it out. Call it out. Call it out.
I'm just on point. I'm just sitting on point. I'm just sitting on
I have
point.
tornado wing point.
Going for
I just stealth. I just stealth. I'm hiding by Kane.
Got you. Huddle under you, brilliance.
We can load stack. We can load stack. It's massive.
Fair.
I'm trying to stop them from capping stone game.
Good.
Yeah,
That's
we're
fine.
good,
That's
we're
fine.
good.
We're doing good. We're doing good. TTV.
Oh, save me, save
Look
me,
at loads.
save
Look at
me.
loads. Look at loads. Look at
Big pool,
loads.
big pool.
I'm going now. I'm going now. I'm going now.
Hold on, speed going out.
Huddle's under you.
Try not to stack. Try not to stack. We gotta stay spread.
You guys do not come near me. There's so many people on me right now.
Yeah.
They're all gonna push in a second. Yep.
Try to stay spread. We can hold this.
Yeah, I'm chilling. I'm trying to find a good angle.
Going for mana.
Yeah. We are too stacked. We're way too fucking stacked right now.
Holding this good. Heal DVRV if you can. He's holding a really good spot. Stay to the side we're supposed to be pushing.
Our
Push.
original side. Our original side. Our
Yep.
original side. I'm on Blood Hunter. He's weak. He's half on me.
They all have heal cut on them.
Shield's on.
He got out.
Flash waiver. Flash waiver.
Target on me. One shot dead.
Hold on, speed.
You guys are good?
Going out.
Huddle's under.
Don't sack.
I got heals on you, Valani.
I get attack.
Fine.
Attack.
Kill Plantigo. This guy's not sacked on anyone.
Big shield on all of us.
Unload. Big lump.
Huge club of loads.
You got damage finesse.
Yeah, I'm fucking thirsty. These guys.
Good kills, boys. Need to block jump that far. I'm back up. Hold this choke. Stay spread. Hold this choke on me.
Invis.
Me and Brilliance.
Invis on me.
Plus in on.
You got big shields.
Where the fuck is he? Disappeared.
Our same side. Our original side. Bangaboo. He's
Hold on,
stealth.
speed going out. Damage on 19.
Slept. We gotta kill Slash. We gotta fucking kill Slash.
Where's he at?
Shields out
I
on you.
lost him. He's going around, I think.
I kill Slash. He's dead. Our original choke again.
I'm getting pulled down. Let me get
Very
up.
smoke grenade.
Fun. Zap, I'm gonna start giving you mana as much as I can.
Yep, you're good. Got a puddle down finesse.
Yeah, he's standing in it.
They're all slow on me.
Biggie Boo,
boys.
Biggie Boo,
All
Biggie Boo,
all
Biggie Boo
slowed
on me.
Big
Biggie Boo
shield
on
on
me.
us.
Biggie Boo on me. I lost him. Original choke.
Yeah. See Bangaboo. I'm on
Lucky,
him.
you should be
You can
good.
target on me. He's one.
We
Dead.
got him. Good shit, boys. Good kill. Keep holding this choke. Keep holding this choke. They'll clean it up.
I'm gonna smoke grenade.
Big shields on us.
Circle on me. Choke. It's a foot.
Oh shit, you're right next to me anyway.
Target on me.
Oh my god. Put on speed.
Oh, big heals, big fucking heals.
Gotcha.
Lesson on sap. Need to get a mana.
Yeah, we're good.
I slowed
That's fine. I
Gojo.
need a mana.
Yeah. You just say you want to die. You want to go here for a sec.
I was just
One
gonna
to
try
two.
that.
Kane,
last
go
long
two,
with
go
it.
two, go
Bring it
two.
boom, bring it boom. Target on me. He went south, he went south.
Oh, I was trying to pull you, but I didn't see where you were.
No, sorry. I got nuked by something.
Oh my god.
Stealthing up. I'm on top of 19 now.
Bring it boom's one. I don't know where he went up. It's very hard to see if you're fighting here. Our original choke is kind of...
It's on top of me, on top of me.
Wait, why do you say go spawn 3?
Oh,
Like,
bro.
What
Oh,
just
so you
killed
got
me? What the fuck?
oh, something like instant pot me earlier too. I'm here now.
I spawned at 1. I don't see any of them here.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was
Can you
gonna
camp
run.
us? Can you stealth finesse?
Yeah.
I can pull you, Roar, if you come this way. Oh, fuck. Hold on. Ah, you got fucking knocked. I'm gonna blessing you.
I can make it. I can make it.
Yeah.
Make it. I can make it. Thank you for
There's
heal.
so many on me. There's so many
I
on me.
need help. I'm fucked.
No, you're not.
It's you.
Oh, you are. Fuck.
Yeah.
I got
Shield out on you.
Fuck.
Pull up at night.
They're super stacked down there.
Yep.
Going for mana.
Big shields on us.
Oh, I moved
Puddle under you,
away.
Lucky.
Fuck. Oh, I could.
What is killing me, bro?
I should have just pulled you right away.
I wanted to be in there. Something killed me so fast.
Pretty hard to get back because they are where we would get back.
Yeah. I'm just gonna pull you instantly.
Run up.
Take a chance. Oh, you're fine. Where's mine tech?
Tornadoed.
Big shields.
Well done. At her feet.
Can't kill anyone, man. I feel like I'm getting no kills.
It is hard to
Hold
kill
on,
people.
speaking on
right now.
out. Oh, fuck.
Oh fuck.
I didn't have anything for you yet.
No, you're good. I was watching my health.
What Officer Tony said.
Oh, I fell. You might be dead here.
Dead.
I can't do shit, man.
One he said. Hey, let's
Faster than me in stealth.
Let's go left. Let's go left. I'm trying to regroup.
My way. I've been getting focused this entire time. Holy fuck.
I got bolt. Big shield.
Got a circle on you.
I'm slept in the middle. I should be fine.
Well,
Yeah,
I-
I'm good, I'm good,
I'm
I'm good.
with you.
Trying to block for now.
Gotcha. You guys have DR. You guys should be able to get out.
Yep. A lot of heals out.
Just get last guy on point. Just get last guy on point.
In the air.
Same spot we're holding. You guys see me right here? I'm jumping. You see the star?
Yep.
I want to hold this spot right here.
Yep.
Yeah, I'm running back around.
Okay, get down there if you need to. I'm gonna keep holding. I'm gonna keep scouting. You guys got it. Oh,
Yeah,
they're coming around the.
Let's clump.
We're fine. Don't worry about healing me. I'm just watching. They sent one.
Cool down, speak on out.
Get back up.
Going up now.
Whoa, stuck.
No, I might need help here. If you can.
Those guys. I'm coming.
Great. Sweet.
I avenged you, finesse.
All good.
Figure out.
In
Fuck
the
me,
air.
man. I keep
Fuck.
dying running back.
He's stealth.
Yeah,
He's
stop.
stealth. He's stealth on me.
Yeah,
I'm
stop getting
following. I lost him. He block
Nope.
jumped.
I got him. I pulled him back.
Well done, speed trying to go out. Try to help Sap here. Well done on Sap.
I'm alright. I'm alright. I'm alright.
Holy fuck! I just died instantly.
Big deals.
Use that on you, brilliant.
East, look east, look east
Thank you.
on me.
Which spawn you coming from, 19?
I'm gonna be there in a couple seconds. I'm sprinting straight in. I'm here now. Fucking slaps.
Shield out. Puddle out.
In the air.
Melee now.
It's hard to find a fucking good target to hit with this shit. I don't know what to fucking die to anymore.
Bro, I just get blown up when I take
I
damage,
took the
man.
wrong fucking spawn, man. Fuck.
Got damage finesse.
Here go me. Dead.
We go from now.
Slash dead.
Gotta go up.
I'm in.
Big shield on you, finesse. You're good.
Yeah.
I'm pushing to the back of the point. You guys see it on Admirable back here?
Yeah, yeah, see you.
I'm one.
In the air.
They're all weak. They're all weak there. All weak there.
They're slow. They cannot run
Bingy boo,
away.
bingy boo. On my target. On my target. Kill him.
Circle on me.
Holy fuck, man.
Oh my god. Are they just spawning at our spawn? Or did I go to the wrong one? I went to the wrong one.
They're rotating around after they spawn.
I just went to the wrong spawn.
I'll finesse you, pop.
Spear is just too good in this fucking zone.
On the zip line, in the back, you guys see it right here?
Yep, you got damage.
Okay. They all jumped off. We're holding this. You guys see me right here? We're all here
Yep.
already. Most of us are here
Yeah,
already.
man.
We're holding the same spot we've been walking up the whole time. I'm gonna try to get stacks really quick on this tank. Nope, I'm backing up. I'm good. Just hold this section right here. Try not to stack in it. Stay spread so the spears don't bounce.
Holy shit.
Anubis. What the fuck just killed me?
Dude, I almost died instantly too.
Can I run on the right this one? I can't. Nice.
I'm gonna try and lift all those people in front of you, Lucky.
19 straight towards me.
Big shields on us.
We held our fucking choke very well, boys.
Yeah, he has a fuck back here. They're trying to run.
No,
Pull down
that's no box.
speed, going out now. Shadow. Pops.
Bastion.
I'm in the heal circle. We're good.
Oh no.
I'm dead as fuck.
I'm dead. The hill cut me.
Shield out on you, Balani.
Yep.
Thank you, babe.
Damage on you, Lucky.
I got nothing for you for a couple seconds. I got well now. Dropping a well on you.
You're good.
Our choke.
Shields on you. I got toward. I'm lifting in front of you guys.
Roy.
Our choke.
All right, I'm holding. I'm leaving now. I'm leaving now. I'm leaving
Oh,
now.
Zap.
Oh shit! I got popped by hard.
Stone, get off the
Speed
stone.
trying to
I'm
go.
about
Kill
to
the
run
zone,
out
kill
of
the zone,
mana.
kill the zone. Fucking good.
They're all feared over
Oh,
there.
your heal cut.
It's all good. It's all good.
Lucky, run right when you spawn.
Run right. Too late.
Yeah. Like,
I should be fine.
Yeah,
I can
okay.
stealth. Just walk right in.
Thank you.
On my way back.
Oh my
Kill
god,
slash,
man.
kill slash, kill slash.
That's a big pick. You can stun him. He's stealthing back.
Yeah, kill slash, kill slash.
These people are just running by and letting this fucking dumbass spinner fucking kill each other. Fucking kill him, Jesus Christ.
Fucking double
Yeah,
lifted.
fucking-
Me too.
Oh my god. Hold on, speed going out. A couple of us here.
Lifting.
You also being fucking worth, dude.
Shields on us.
On my target, he's low. He's half.
You got damage.
Dead.
Shields out on.
I'm hitting that main choke, I'm hitting that main choke. Slash is on my target right now.
19. Well down on
You gotta kill this guy. You gotta fucking kill that guy. Dead. My target again. My target again.
You got damage.
Dead. Our choke.
Here,
Over there.
here.
They
They're
stealthed it,
all
they stealthed it, it's
mana
fine.
burning.
They stealthed
They're
it.
all
I'm
mana
gonna
burning.
kill it.
I might have hit them all just now.
Backing up.
Circle on the floor.
Hold on,
I'm
speed
lifting.
going out.
Oh, motherfucker. I'm lifting all these people by you.
Oh, I jumped
Yeah.
into a fucking spear.
I had to stealth.
Fucking mana desperately, bro. Watch out for the DFA. You get mana, bro. This is such a bad time to not have mana.
Fucking in the air, man.
Yeah, everybody's there.
I'm lifting it all.
Slash.
The game's lagging. Fuck.
Slash is one. Dead.
I'm in the air. Wasn't any.
It's fine, it's fine. I had no mana. I needed to die. That was a good death.
He's fucking relaxing. Just pressing every fucking skill I have. Holy shit, man. Holy fuck. That is pure 8, is what that is.
Yeah. I felt like I couldn't do anything, man.
Holy fuck.
I hope we don't do that map when we play him again.
Hell no, bro. That shit was ass.
You should have swapped a spear for that.
I don't know. I was getting some bell procs in there.
It's just not worth it. You can just do more damage on spear.
Yeah, you're probably right about that.
You literally have natural chokes that they have to walk through.